The pelican is a large water bird belonging to the family Pelicanidae and is known for its distinctive long bill and large throat pouch. Pelicans are found all around the world, usually near coastlines, lakes, and rivers. These fascinating birds are renowned for their remarkable fishing techniques, social behavior, and adaptability in various habitats. Pelicans are large birds with an average wingspan ranging from 7 to 11 feet, depending on the species. Their most striking feature is their long beak, which can grow up to 18 inches long. Attached to the lower mandible is the iconic throat pouch, which is used for catching and holding fish. The beak and pouch are highly flexible, allowing the bird to scoop up water and fish, then drain the water before swallowing its prey. Pelicans are typically white or grayish in color, with some species having darker markings on their wings or back. Their plumage is water-resistant, which aids them in swimming and diving for fish. Pelicans also have large webbed feet, ideal for swimming and navigating through water with ease. There are 8 species of pelicans found around the globe, including the American white pelican, brown pelican, and Dalmatian pelican. Pelicans are widespread, living in regions ranging from North America to Australia, and can adapt to a variety of environments, including both freshwater and marine ecosystems. The brown pelican, for example, is commonly found along the coastlines of North and South America, while the American white pelican prefers inland lakes and wetlands. Species like the Dalmatian pelican, native to parts of Europe and Asia, are the largest of the group, with wingspans reaching nearly 12 feet. Pelicans are primarily piscivores, meaning their diet mainly consists of fish. They have developed highly effective methods for hunting and catching prey. One of the most notable techniques is plunge diving, where pelicans, especially the brown pelican, soar high above the water and then dive headfirst into the sea to catch fish. The impact of the dive can be quite dramatic, as they use their large pouches to scoop up both water and fish, draining the water out before swallowing their catch. Other pelican species, such as the American white pelican, prefer to fish in shallow waters by cooperatively herding fish. Groups of pelicans will work together to drive fish into shallower areas, where they can easily scoop them up. This social feeding behavior showcases their intelligence and teamwork in the wild. Pelicans are highly social birds and are often seen in large groups, both while feeding and resting. They form colonies during the breeding season, which can consist of thousands of individuals. During this time, pelicans build large nests on the ground, in trees, or on rocky islands, depending on the species and location. Female pelicans typically lay 2 or 3 eggs, and both parents share in the duties of incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. The young hatch after about 30 days and are born helpless, relying on their parents for food and protection. Parent pelicans regurgitate pre-digested fish to feed their chicks, who quickly grow and fledge the nest in just a few weeks. Pelicans are strong and efficient flyers, often traveling long distances in search of food or suitable breeding grounds. Their large wings allow them to soar high in the sky, using thermals, rising warm air currents, to glide effortlessly, conserving energy as they travel. Despite their large size, they can cover hundreds of miles with minimal wing flapping. Pelicans are also excellent swimmers. Their webbed feet help them navigate through the water while hunting for fish, and their buoyant bodies make floating easy. However, they are less agile on land, where their awkward gait contrasts sharply with their grace in the air and water. Adult pelicans face few natural predators, though eagles and large carnivores may occasionally pose a threat. Pelican chicks and eggs, however, are more vulnerable to predation by gulls, raccoons, and other birds and mammals. Human activities such as habitat destruction, pollution, and overfishing also pose significant threats to pelican populations. In particular, the use of pesticides like DDT once severely impacted the brown pelican population, leading to thin eggshells that would break during incubation. Conservation efforts, including the banning of DDT, have helped pelican populations recover, but they remain vulnerable to other environmental changes, such as oil spills and plastic pollution. Pelicans play an essential role in maintaining healthy fish populations by controlling small fish species that could otherwise overpopulate. They also serve as indicators of the overall health of the ecosystems they inhabit, as declining pelican populations can signal environmental problems, such as pollution or overfishing. Pelicans have long been symbols in various cultures. In Christian art, pelicans were once believed to pierce their own breast to feed their young with their blood, symbolizing self-sacrifice and charity. In modern times, pelicans are often associated with freedom and the coastal lifestyle, serving as mascots for numerous organizations and wildlife reserves. Thanks to conservation efforts, many pelican species have bounced back from severe declines. The brown pelican, once endangered, was removed from the endangered species list in the United States in 2009. However, other species, like the Dalmatian pelican, are still listed as vulnerable due to habitat loss and human disturbances. Efforts to protect pelican habitats, regulate fishing practices, and reduce water pollution are crucial to ensuring the survival of these majestic birds in the future. Pelicans are fascinating, social birds with remarkable adaptations for life on and near the water. Their unique hunting techniques, large colonies, and graceful presence make them a key species in many aquatic ecosystems around the world. Protecting these birds and their habitats is not only essential for their survival, but also for the health of the environments they help sustain.